Dr. Bob Ganz in between patients today. So somebody asked a question about gas. What is it? Where does it come from? Why do humans pass gas? What's the deal with gas? So let's talk about gas or flatulence or farting. It's normal to pass gas for a human. It's normal to pass about 13 to 14 gas passages per day, and humans pass about somewhere between half a liter to 2 liters of gas per day is considered normal, with each gas passage or each fart is about 50 milliliters of gas. So that's normal. Up to 13 to 14 times a day is considered normal. This is well studied by my friend and colleague, Dr. Michael Levitt at the University of Minnesota, VA. He spent 20 or 30 years of his life studying gas and looked at normal volunteers. And indeed, normal volunteers pass gas about 13 to 14 times a day. So if you're in that range, you're good. That's normal. If you're above 20 passages of gas a day, that's probably into the abnormal range, and maybe you want to talk to somebody about that. So the volume of gas that humans pass is about half a liter to 2 liters a day. With each passage, each fart is about 50 milliliters of gas. Now, what's in gas? Gas is malabsorbed carbohydrates that we can't digest as humans, that pass into the colon, and our 100 trillion bacteria chow down on it, and they ferment those complex carbohydrates, and that yields gas as a byproduct of fermentation. So humans digest simple sugars, anything up to 1 to 2 to 10 monomers. Anything more than 10 monomers is a complex carbohydrate that humans can't digest. Bacteria love it, they chow down, and that creates the fermentation. Now, normal gas, typically 99% of gas is composed of 5 gases: oxygen, CO2, nitrogen, which is in the air that we breathe, and that we breathe it in, swallow it, and passes through. And then 2 gases that come from bacterial fermentation, a byproduct of bacterial fermentation, that's hydrogen and methane. That's 99% of the gas that humans pass are those 5 gases. And interestingly, those 5 gases are completely odorless. If you pass just those 5 gases, nobody will ever know that you're farting unless you're quite loud about it. But if you just pass those 5 gases silently, nobody could smell a thing. 1%, only 1% of gas is odoriferous, and those are gases that contain sulfur. So methanethiol or dimethyl sulfide. If you have sulfur-producing bacteria in your GI tract and you can generate sulfur gases, that can be really odoriferous. Now think about this. It's only 1% of the gas that we pass as humans, but it can be quite smelly. So it's very impressive that only 1% of gas can be so odoriferous. So that is the primer on gas, passage of gas. If you want to avoid gas, tune into the next video, and I'll talk about the foods that are good to prevent gas and foods that are quite gaseous or gas forming. So now you're informed.